Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In previous videos, we discussed about classification of functions. In today's video, we will discuss some special type of functions with examples. Identity function. Let capital X be any non-empty set and f is a function from x to itself defined by f of x is equal to x for every x is belongs to capital X. Then this function f is called identity function on capital X. For example, let x is equal to a, b, c such that f of a is equal to a, f of b is equal to b, and f of c is equal to c. That is, f of x is equal to x for every x is belongs to capital X. Graphically, we see x, a, b, c, x, a, b, c, f is a function from x to x. A is associated with a, that means image of a under f is a itself. Image of b under f is equal to b. Image of c under f is also equal to c. We can say that the image of each element of the domain is equal to itself. Next, inverse function. Let capital X and capital Y are any two non-empty sets and f is a function from x to y which is 1 1 and onto function, that is each element of capital X has unique image in Y, and every element has its pre-image in capital X. Let X is equal to A, B, C and Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. F is a function from X to Y defined as f of A is equal to 1, f of B is equal to 2 and f of C is equal to 3. Graphically, we see capital X, A, B, C, capital Y, 1, 2, 3. F is a function from X to Y such that image of A is 1. That means A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2, C is associated with 3. As f of A is equal to 1, this implies A is equal to f inverse 1. Similarly, B is equal to f inverse 2, C is equal to f inverse 3. Then f inverse is a 1, 1 onto function from Y to X. Graphically, Y, X, 1, 2, 3. F inverse is a function from Y to X. A, B, C. 1 is associated with A, 2 is associated with B, and 3 is associated with C, where F inverse is called the inverse function of F. Polynomial function. Let f be a function from X to Y defined as fx is equal to ax plus b fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, or fx is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and so on. That is, y is equal to ax plus b, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and y is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and so on. This type of function is called polynomial functions. Next, rational function. Let px and qx are any two polynomial functions then the function fx is equal to px divided by qx. Qx does not equal to 0 is called rational function. Next, even function. A function f is said to be even function if f of minus x is equal to fx for every x is belongs to domain of the function For example, fx is equal to x square plus 2, then f minus x is equal to minus x its square plus 2 is equal to x square plus 2, which is equal to fx. That is, f of minus x is equal to fx. Hence, f is said to be even function. The next, odd function. A function f is said to be odd function if f of minus x is equal to minus of fx for every x belongs to domain of the function. That is, if we replace x by minus x, then the value of the function is negative to itself. The function is said to be an odd function. For example, fx is equal to x is cube plus x, then f of minus x is equal to minus x its cube plus minus x is equal to minus x is cube minus x is equal to minus x cube plus x equal to minus fx. That is, f of minus x is equal to minus fx for every x. Hence, f is odd function. The next, absolute value function. Or modulus function. Let f be any function from capital X to capital Y defined as fx is equal to modulus of x for every x is belongs to capital X. We can also write it as fx is equal to modulus of x is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0 minus x if x is less than 0. So, in this case the range of the function is always non-negative. For example, f of 3 is equal to 3 modulus, which is equal to 3, because 3 is a positive, and when the variable have the positive value, then image is equal to itself. F of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 modulus is equal to negative of the variable, that means minus 3 is equal to plus 3. F of 0 is equal to 0 modulus is equal to 0. Next, greatest integer function. Let f be any function defined as fx is equal to greatest integer function of x, means greatest integer n such that n is less than equal to x. For example, f of 3 is equal to greatest integer of 3. 3 itself is integer, so the greatest integer less than equal to 3 is equal to 3. F of 4.5, that means greatest integer of 4.5, the greatest integer less than equal to 4.5 is 4. signum function or sine function. Let f be any function defined as fx is equal to -1 if x is less than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, 1 if x is greater than 0. That is, the range of signum function is -1, 0 and 1. Domain all real numbers. Next, constant function. A function is said to be constant function if image of each element of the domain is same. That is, f of x is equal to c for every x is belongs to domain of the function. In this case, a range of function is singleton set. Composite function. Let f is a function from x to y and g is another function y to z, then their composition g of f is defined. This function g of f from x to z is called composition of two functions f and g. We see the codomain of the function f is equal to domain of the function g. X, y and z are three non-empty sets. F is a function from x to y. G is a function from y to z. Then their composition g of f from x to z, the domain of function g is equal to codomain of the function f. Let small x is belongs to capital X, small y is belongs to capital Y, then capital Y is equal to f of x. Small z is belongs to capital Z, then small z is equal to g of y, which is equal to g of f of x is equal to g f of x. Now we can solve some examples of these functions. Let f be a function defined as f of x is equal to 4x square plus 2x minus 2. Find f of 2, f of 1 and f of 1. It is given that fx is equal to 4x square plus 2x minus 2. F of 2 is equal to 4 into 2 is square plus 2 into 2 minus 2, which is equal to 4 into 4 plus 2 into 4, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 is equal to 16 plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 18. F of 1, put the value of x equal to 1 in the given function. 4 into 1 is square plus 2 into 1 minus 2, which is equal to 4 into 1 square is 1. So 4 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 4. F of 1, that is f of 4, because f of 1 is equal to 4. So which is equal to 4 into 4 is square plus 2 into 4 minus 2 is equal to 4 into 4 square is 16, 16 into 4 is 64 plus 8 minus 2 is equal to 72 minus 2 is 70. Next example, find the even and odd functions in the following functions. First, y is equal to 3x is 4 minus 5x square plus 6. Second, y is equal to 2x is cube plus 5x. Third, y is equal to modulus of x plus 7. Solution. The first, y is equal to 3x is 4 minus 5x square plus 6. This implies fx is equal to 3x is 4 minus 5x square plus 6. Now, f of minus x is equal to 3 into minus x raised to power 4 minus 5 into minus x raised to power 2 plus 6, which is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 5x square plus 6 is equal to fx. This implies f of minus x is equal to fx. Hence, f is even function. Second, y is equal to 2x is cube plus 5x. This implies fx is equal to 2x is cube plus 5x. Now, f of minus x is equal to 2 into minus x is cube plus 5 into minus x is equal to 2 into minus x is cube minus 5x, which is equal to minus 2x is cube minus 5x is equal to minus 2x is cube plus 5x is equal to minus fx. This implies f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Hence, fx is odd function. Third, y is equal to modulus of x plus 7, that is fx is equal to modulus of x plus 7. Now, f of minus x is equal to minus x modulus plus 7, which is equal to x plus 7, because minus x modulus is equal to modulus of x. This implies f of minus x is equal to fx. Therefore, f is even function. Next example, if the map f R to R defined by f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x and the map G R to R defined by g of x is equal to e raised to power x, then find f o g and g o f and show that FOG does not equal to GOF. F is a function from R to R and G is also a function from R to R, defined as Fx is equal to log of 1 plus x and Gx is equal to e raised to power x. It is clear that the domain of F is equal to codomain of G and vice versa. Therefore, FOG and GOF both defined. Now, FOG x is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to f of e raised to power x, because g of x is equal to e raised to power x, is equal to log of 1 plus e raised to power x. Put it equation number 1. G of x is equal to g f of x is equal to g log of 1 plus x, which is equal to e raised to power log of 1 plus x which is equal to 1 plus x. This implies GOF x is equal to 1 plus x. Put it equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have GOF does not equal to FOG. I think it is sufficient for today's. In the next video, we will discuss binary operations. So keep in touch, watch our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks to all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.